Díagwich YouTube, Conas agus Díagwich BananaNeil, Conas Arish. Fáilte, welcome back, good to have you back. This is going to be a response video to your cost of college video, which I did say I would kind of make after the 100th time that I watched it. And now I'm up to about the 700th time watching it. Bringing everyone up to speed. For the last year and a half I've been working in the Cavan Centre, and during that time I spent a couple of days a week studying youth studies and so on in different ways. My experience in the Cavan Centre has been phenomenal. It's brought me from there to there, be off the scale really. It's what I want to be doing. Now I'm presented with the opportunity that I went for last year, which is I've gotten a place in the National University of Ireland in Maynooth to do a degree course in community and youth work. And I'm over the moon. Or at least I would be. I am over the moon. But it's a case now that I can do it full time and quit my job because of the nature of my contract, or I can do part time and do part time work and pay €4,000 for it. €4,000 isn't that much at the end of the day. You know, there are an awful lot more students out there paying a hell of a lot more fees than I am, but I don't know. At the end of the day, it comes down to a pros and cons list. Pros, if I stay working in the centre, I get to work with dozens more types of groups than I would on my work experience in college if I was doing it full time. Pros of working in the centre, I have experience working there. I know the groups. I also have everybody else who works in the centre who have done their degree courses in youth work, who I can pick brains from and, you know, get ideas and just chat and get help with assignments and so on. I love what I do. It's exactly what I want to be doing. If I could do it myself, I would be a full-time outdoor instructor doing anything and everything, expeditions, local things, national things, all over the world, underwater, up in the clouds, whatever. And if I could combine that and do youth work and adventure therapy, then happy out. That's exactly what I want to be doing. So I'm starting here. And I need to get to there. Off up in the distance. Yeah, it's a dilemma. Going back to college, it's something that I really, really need to do as well as I want to do. I did 2 years in outdoor pursuits. I did the year of youth studies. It's just the natural progression. All roads led to Maynooth, and now I'm in Maynooth and they're offering me a full-time position. It's great. If I go to Maynooth full-time, means that I need to quit my job. I need to take maybe a fifth of a cut in my pay, because I'm switching from my paycheck to a back to education allowance. I'll get all the experience in college. I'll be able to go and work with other people and get different experiences and different points of view in class every day, which is one of the things that was pointed out to me in the interviews, that how would you deal with people challenging your opinions? And I said, well, look, I challenge people's opinions every day. Bring it on. Yeah, I could do the whole student union life, that sort of thing. Not much fun going out partying and all that, but, you know, there are other things to do in college except study and drink. Don't know what they are, but I'll find them out. No, in all seriousness, pretty much know exactly what I want to be doing with myself. Discussions are great, and, you know, I'm still following the opportunities of trying to do it part-time. Financially, it's not working out very well, but, you know, that's just the way life is. Nothing in life is easy. And I don't know. I'm still in two minds. I'm kind of swinging more one way than the other, but still in two minds. Anyway, I just wanted to make this and, you know, give it to you let you have a look at it and tell me what you think. And for anyone else that's watching it and maybe in a similar situation about, whether they want to go back to college or get a job or what they want to do in their lives, talk to me. I'll listen. I'll help you out as best I can. It's what we're here to do for each other on YouTube, aside from entertain each other. I'll keep you posted anyway. Be sure and look out for my adventures at CrackCon this weekend. That'll be on my Facebook page and my Twitter. I'll probably have a blog about this video and several other vlogs and blogs put up on my WordPress page, all of which the links are in the description box below. We'll see what happens. Gurv Malgut for watching. Agus slán go fóill.